right now, Sean Silveira, 29 years old from Orlando, Florida, and he is getting busy and getting dizzy out there. Going backside alley-oop 360, then ollie north backside 180, swiveling himself around. There's the backside big spin, right into a frontside big spin, linking it all together, making it look like one trick. There's a frontside 360, and now going frontside shove it, backside body varial, reverting back around, backside shove right into the 540 big spin, but just couldn't quite stay on the wave. All right, well, Sean Silveira back in the course, coming in for pass number 2, surfing backside. This time serving on the opposite side of the wave, staying on his heels. And there's a switch. Backside shove it. Oh, trying to go switch, backside big spin, and going down right there.
Going into the finals, it was a little nerve-wracking. I was feeling a little bit nervous. It didn't go as I planned it was going to go on the way back on my second pass, but I clinched the victory, and I'm really pumped on it.